Hi guys, it's Zach1301ZS on Xbox Live. Just thought I'd do this little upload for you. It's just a bit of a couple of matches. As you can probably tell, I'm not the best on Rocket League, it's just a bit of fun. Thought I'd start uploading some videos. Like I said, it's just a bit of fun. Recently I've been just practicing, trying to get a bit better in the air. Some aerial shots, you can see there. Managed to finally hit one. I'm sure there'll be some embarrassing moments in this match as well. Oh, I missed it. Nice shot from that guy. At least I didn't steal it off him, eh? Got to look at the positives in all of this. And away we go. Whee. I'm loving the new Christmas rocket trail. Nice and seasonal. And Merry Christmas to everybody. Oh, kaboom. Oh, quite lucky. And I've ballsed it up. Straight over my head that. Can I pull off a save? No, don't be silly. Hey, diddly dum. What am I playing at? I bet you're all having a good laugh at how shocking I am on Rocket League, but maybe one day I'll get a bit better. Until now it's just a bit of fun. Everybody's so serious, aren't they? Some people need to lighten up. People get really aggressive on here. Get some right stick. Whee, good job that guy were there. See if I can make anything of it. Ooh, could I get lucky? Could I get lucky? Oh, I'm too slow. Everybody just takes them off me. Nice shot again from Cameron Evans, 58. Or is it 56? 56. Oh, win by forfeit, not bad. No thanks to me, of course. Whee! Searching. Maybe. Cup of tea. Right then, let's see what we can do in this one. Let's have it, boys and girls. Do, jingle bells. Get back. Defend. Yeah, so I mentioned about trying some aerial routes. I'm just terrible at it, so that's why I don't do it very often. I do try though. I just seem to embarrass myself. Straight past the ball, straight over it, straight under it. Never get it bang on target. Oh, it's lucky. Whee. Great pass. Thank you very much for that. Oh, from the other team actually. My bad. Didn't mean to be sarcastic. It's not very nice, is that? Oh, can he get there? No. Might as well beat goalkeeper then, might I? See what we can do here. Nothing. Oh, missed that then. Very lucky. Oh no. Oh, off the post. Crossbar, my mistake. Calm down everybody. Whee! Oh, that's very nice. That's good by my standards. I like